So welcome to the second part of Python programming, the working with classes and object-oriented programming. So previously we wrote this code, let's type it there, I'm going to fix it. We wrote this code and we want to continue with the same code. So in here, what we want to add is just play with these particular methods that we have in there. So basically, we just have the bounce method of bounce function and then the row function. So let's say if after we create a cricket ball, we just go to cricket ball and we use the member access operator and we put roll. We expect it to print out rolling on there. So we just got rolling on this particular side of the screen. So the second line of the output. So let's say if we want to print the color and say it's rolling, or let's say we just say, ideally it should just be color and we'll be able to print it straight away. But we want to print the color of the instance that has been created. So we just go to self and then we print that color at that point. So if we run it again, we will notice the white rolling, which is basically the color printed out there. So let's see the same after we've changed the color and other things. Let's print that for tennis ball. So tennis ball dot roll and see what happens. So at this point, we've got the color blue and it's rolling. So although the default color is white, we notice that that of the instance we changed it at this point. So we just managed to access that particular member function. We can do the same for the bouncing. So let's say we can print the diameter. So self diameter, and we just say bouncing. Yeah, let's go for that. So we go to the bottom, we can do the same cricket for dot what was the bounce? And we can have tennis ball dot bounce. We expect the diameter and some bouncing happening. Yep, so we've got diameter bouncing, and that's how we access the member functions of a class.